State Farm tonight is agreeing to dish out millions of dollars to customers. The Texas Department of Insurance says the company overcharged on premiums, a claim the company denies. Fox 4's Kara Dixon is investigating. She joins us in the studio. And Kara, how much money are we talking about tonight?
Millions, Greg. In fact, more than $350 million.
Hello, Robert Gluck here. Welcome to This Week in the Law. Today I wanted to talk to you about a problem I've been seeing with many of my clients who carry auto insurance coverage with State Farm Insurance Company. What happens is everyone who's injured has $10,000 of no-fault insurance coverage to pay their medical bills if they're injured in an accident. Most providers that work with lawyers that handle personal injury cases accept that portion of the payment and usually will waive their balance. State Farm has additional coverage called MedPay coverage that they offer on their policies, and they push those because they make a profit on them. And what they'll do is they'll use the MedPay will pay the portion of the bills that the PIP doesn't cover. But what they don't tell you is if the provider was willing to take the 80% that PIP would have paid anyway, he gets the additional 20% from the MedPay, and then if you go to settle your personal injury claim, State Farm has a right of subrogation and tries to get that MedPay money back out of the settlement. So in effect, the client pays for a MedPay benefit and then ends up having to give that money right back to the insurance company. So if you have no-fault insurance with State Farm and you also have your own private health insurance, remove the MedPay coverage from your policy. That is my recommendation, because you are wasting your money. You're going to pay for a benefit, and then when you bring a claim and get a monetary recovery, you're going to have to give it right back. If you have health insurance, it's going to cover the portion of the bills that the PIP doesn't cover anyway. So you don't need MedPay coverage, and you especially don't need it with State Farm.